Okay, calm down. Have a look around.
Exterior flamingo in the inside dove. I just pulled up in that midnight club. Got an earthquake with me in my subs. If I walk in, nigga, it might flood. FEMA stand by when I hit the scene. Pink Model X in the 1015. Plus when I hit this switch, shit leans. They're like, what's that? Ain't no whip this clean. Just arrived, I'm the one they was waiting on. Shawty bought me wildin' out, this her favorite song. Half the time I don't know what she's talking about. Jumping in my side, rushing cause she saw the cloud. She want the coin, so she going tails up. Down for head flipping anything she tells us. She only on my arm cause my cell's up, so I just might hit her with that Dave Chappelle muff. Yeah.
Better sink in, pass you the keys and you start to speed in. You tryna start doing this every weekend. Told you slow down but you don't want me speaking. We might crash if you reckless, you should slow down cause the test too expensive. Then again, so is everything you trust in. So I guess you don't care about directions.
Extra so I show out, every time I go out. 7 bodyguards with them Call of Duty loadouts. Feeling like Luda at my shows, throwing bows now. Whole life a movie, let the pink carpet roll out. Blinded cameras with the pieces that I'm flexing. All this power got my head big like Devin Weston. Private army just to make sure that the floor right. They gon' frag out if you pull up with that Fortnite. What's the use if you only did like 2 damage? At least your man on me, guess that's why you got so manic. Tryna leave with me cause he saw the shirt I'm rocking. God bless on my body, yeah the brand is brolic. Try to play me like a wag little boy, but these white collars girls throwing ass to my voice. Laughed when she asked for the keys to the whip. Froze up in the seat, told her breathe it all in, yeah.
Better sink in, pass you the keys and you start to speed in. You tryna start doing this every weekend. Told you slow down but you don't want me speaking. We might crash if you reckless, you should slow down cause the test too expensive. Then again, so is everything you trust in. So I guess you don't care.
Can we bring the vision? Pink Model X with a 10 low. 5 indoors but I'm hanging out the window. One hand in the air, one hand on the wheel, and I'm swerving, I ain't worried about shit though. I ain't worried about shit though. But I am worried about you crashing my Tesla.
Better sink in, pass you the keys and you start speeding. You tryna start doing